Mayong buntag mga kapuso, ma-inspire sa kwento ng isang kapuso na pinatunayan na kahit may kapansanan, kaya pa ring maging in sa kung anong opportunities meron sa social media. Isang successful gaming content creator mula Zamboanga City ang ating makakakwentuhan this morning. Let's meet the man behind Chino Bami, Chino Cabrera. Buenos dias, Chino. Good morning and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka ngayong araw?
Buenos dias, no? Magandang umaga sa mga nanonood ngayon, sa mga kapuso natin dyan, no? Okay na naman ako, Sai, no? Hello.
Alright, Chino, please tell us first kung paano nabuo ang Chino Bami bilang pangalan na iyong gaming channel.
Well, Chino Bami started one day when I was playing a mobile game and napansin ko may talent ako sa paglalaro. So, naisipan ko mag-stream. So, pinag-isipan ko kung anong gagamitin kong page name. Isa rin sa mga importanteng bagay na kailangan natin pag-isipan, no? Ayoko rin gumamit ng mga gaming like Chino Gaming or Chino TV kasi marami nang gumagamit dyan. I need to be unique. Then one day, guys, nanonood ako ng anime. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung anong anime yon kasi sobrang daming anime. Tapos yung mga characters ng anime na yun, guys, may Bami sa dulo. Siyempre, siguro nanonood kayo, familiar na. May Bami. Napaisip ako, since Chino yung pangalan ko, lagyan ko ng Bami. So, nabuo yung Chino Bami. Ganun yun.
You've reached more than 100k followers sa Facebook and congratulations for achieving that, Chino. Paano mo ba hinuhook ang mga followers mo to be part sa iyong gaming channel?
Well, for you to keep your engagements with your viewers or followers, you need to be entertaining. Importante yan. You really need to be entertaining. You need to give the viewers what they want. Meron kasi tayong mga tinatawag na viewers preference. If the viewer wants comedy, you should give them comedy. If the viewer wants pro play, you should give them pro play. If the viewer wants gameplay, tips or tricks, bigay nyo rin yan. Yan yung mga importante para to keep your viewers engaged with your live streams. And you need to talk to your viewers din talaga, no? As much as possible kasi busy tayo sa kakalaro, busy tayo sa ginagawa natin on stream, wag nating kalimutan na kausapin ang mga viewers natin.
Chino, napag-alaman namin na 2019 ka pa nagsimula mag-streaming at patuloy pang nagbo-boom ang iyong channel. In fact, you are also part sa isang gaming entertainment. Please tell us that being a gaming content creator is a kind of social job.
Well, yes, no, that is true. I am part of Tier 1 Entertainment. I am a Tier 1 Entertainment talent, no, under the Amplify program. Well, your main job is actually gaming. You play. You need to constantly create contents, no? As much as possible. Kung pwede everyday, gawin nyo everyday. And to show people or explain to them, no, how the game is played. Kasi may mga ganun may mga tao na interested in a game. Kasi games reach to us to show them about sa mga bagong games na lumalabas. It is our job to show them how the game is played, what are the tips and tricks na makukuha nila sa game, and ano ba yung gameplay. So that's part of our main job, no?
Chino, being a member of persons with disabilities, if you don't mind, pwede mo bang makwento sa amin kung ano ba ang storya, bakit ka na-amputate sa kanan mong paa?
Well, actually, yung na-PWD ako, I was in a motorcycle accident din, no? Last May 2018. And yeah, I was sent to the hospital here in Zamboanga City. And yun na, my right foot was completely dislocated. But the doctors did try to save the foot, no? They tried reconnecting it, lahat. Ganyan, they tried it. But suddenly one day, no, wala nang blood flow na dumadaan. And yun na, sinabihan ako na choose to amputate this or baka mas delikado, gano'n, di ba? So I said amputate it na lang and then we'll see what will happen, no? Pero I still said yes kasi mas worse yung mangyayari pag hindi natuloy yung amputation.
Chino, to know you more, what's your daily routine ba before streaming sa gaming channel mo?
Yan, magandang question yan, Sai, no? Well, first, ang una ko talagang ginagawa, and most probably maraming gumagawa, is ang pinakaunang ginagawa nila is mag-CR. CR talaga. Kasi guys, syempre maghihilamos kayo. And when you're streaming talaga, when you start your streams talaga, as much as possible, hindi nyo palaging iniiwan. So, ilabas nyo na lahat ng dapat ilabas nyo dyan. So, yun, CR. And after that, after CR, uupo ako sa harap ng PC. I watch contents. I watch different gaming content creators. I watch how they play or what games to play. No? Kung may napag-desisyon naman ako ng game, I will watch the gameplays. Para kahit paano may information tayong maibigay sa ating mga viewers.
Chino, bilang isang gaming content creator, anong piece of advice ba ang maibibigay mo sa ating mga kapusong interesadong magsimula ng gaming channel?
Gusto ko sabihin first of all talaga is good luck, no? Tuloy nyo lang if gusto nyo talaga. Well, you need, ang tips ko guys, ang tip ko, number one is, you need to be unique. You really need to be unique. Like if ever you're gonna start a gaming page, if you're ever gonna start a page, no, or a channel, first of all is you need to be unique. No, dapat wala kang kaparehas. You need to research. Like I say, if you wanna start in Facebook, you need to research. Search mo to. Like, pangalan, no, like ganyan-ganyan, gaming, search if you have same page name, no. Huwag kayo kumuha ng may same page name. You really need to be unique. Yun ang importante. Tapos dapat guys makuha mo yung kiliti ng mga viewers mo, no. Dapat kasi yung mga viewers kasi guys babalikan kanila kung nagustuhan kanila. So, wag kang maging suplado, no. Parang if ever may mga haters ka, entertain them. Entertain lang kasi eventually they will be your follower and then you will really understand what I'm trying to say na pag may hater kayo tanggapin nyo. Pag may basher kayo tanggapin nyo kasi pag tumagal yan guys, when the time comes, magiging follower din sila sa iyo. Una lang mo ng haters yan sila eh. Tapos guys, show them what they want to see.
Maraming salamat, Chino Cabrera, for sharing your story dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Ingat ka palagi.
Thank you for inviting me at Home with GMA Regional TV. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my story. Thank you.
Mga kapuso, standby lang mo kay mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.